Hello students, this is Dr. Saurabh Rajaram Mhatre from Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. So, in last lecture we have learned about excretory system of the cockroach. Excretory system of the cockroach. In that there are different types of Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are the functional excretory units of the cockroach. So today we are going to learn about nervous system of the cockroach. The nervous system of cockroach consists of central nervous system CNS, then peripheral nervous system PNS and autonomous nervous system ANS. Nervous system of cockroach is ventral. Nervous system of cockroach is ventral, then it is solid and ganglionated, means there are ganglions present. Nervous system of cockroach is ventral, solid and ganglionated. So first of all we are going to learn about central nervous system of cockroach. Central nervous system of cockroach. Central nervous system of cockroach consists of nerve rings and ventral nerve cord. Nerve ring and ventral nerve cord. Nerve ring is made up of supraesophageal ganglia. Nerve ring is made up of supraesophageal ganglia. Circumesophageal connective and subesophageal ganglion. So these three made up nerve ring. Nerve ring is supraesophageal ganglia, circumesophageal connective and subesophageal ganglion. Then a pair of supraesophageal or cerebral ganglia is collectively known as brain. Means a pair of supraesophageal or cerebral ganglia is collectively known as brain. The brain is present in the head region above the esophagus and between the antennal bases of the cockroach. Brain of the cockroach is pair of supraesophageal or cerebral ganglia, and that brain of cockroach is present in the head region above the esophagus and between the antennal bases. Each cerebral ganglion is formed by the fusion of three small ganglia. Each cerebral ganglion is formed by the fusion of three small ganglia that are protocerebrum, deutocerebrum and tritocerebrum. Proto, truto and tritocerebrum. These three cerebrum ganglia, these small three ganglia get fused to form cerebral ganglion. So in subesophageal ganglia, means subesophageal ganglion is bilobed. Subesophageal ganglion is bilobed, present below the esophagus in the head region. Subesophageal ganglia is bilobed, present below the esophagus in head. It is also formed by the fusion of three pairs of ganglia. Subesophageal ganglia is also made up by the three pairs of ganglion. So then third one is cerebral ganglia. Third one is cerebral ganglia. The cerebral ganglia are connected to subesophageal ganglion by a pair of lateral nerves called circumesophageal connectives. Circumesophageal connectives. So cerebral ganglia are connected to subesophageal ganglion by the pair of lateral nerves. That nerves are called as circumesophageal connectives. Connectives arises from the cerebral ganglia. These connectives arise from the cerebral ganglia. So this is about nerve ring. Nerve ring is made up of three parts: supraesophageal ganglia, circumesophageal connective, and subesophageal ganglion. So after this nerve ring, there is a ventral nerve cord. There is a ventral nerve cord because central nervous system of cockroach consists of nerve ring and ventral nerve cord. We learned about nerve ring and now ventral nerve cord. So ventral nerve cord arises from subesophageal ganglion. Ventral nerve cord arises from subesophageal ganglion. It is present along the mid-ventral position in perineural sinus. In perineural sinus, mid-ventral in position. It is double nerved. Ventral nerve cord is double nerve cord and consists of 9 segmental paired ganglia. Consists of 9 segmental paired ganglia. So out of 9, first 3 pairs of segmental ganglia are large and known as thoracic ganglia. First 3 pairs of segmental ganglia are large and known as thoracic ganglia. Then 6 pairs of segmental ganglia are in abdomen. So out of 9 pairs, 3 pairs in thoracic ganglia and 6 pairs are of segmental ganglia present in the abdomen. Sixth abdominal ganglion is the largest and it is present in the 7th abdominal segment. So it is very important. 6th abdominal ganglion is largest one and is present in 7th abdominal segment. 7th abdominal segment having 6th abdominal ganglion. So there is no ganglion in 6th segment. There is no ganglion in 6th segment. So this is all about the ventral nerve cord. Ventral nerve cord arises from subesophageal ganglion and it represent along with the mid-ventral position in perineural sinus. It is double nerve cord, consists of 9 segmental pair ganglia. First 3 are thoracic ganglia and 6 pairs are segmental ganglion which are present in the abdomen region. 6th abdominal ganglion is largest one and it is present in the 7th abdominal segment. So in 6th segment there is no ganglion present. There is no ganglion presents. So in this diagram of central nervous system of cockroach, we can clearly see in the brain. Brain is also known as supraesophageal ganglion, which is paired. Then optic nerve is there, antenna nerve is there, labrofrontal nerve is there, mandibular nerve, maxillary nerve, labial nerve. These all mouth head region nerves are central nervous system of the cockroach. Then prothoracic nerve, mesothoracic nerves, metathoracic nerves, first abdominal ganglion, abdominal nerves, 6th abdominal ganglion. So these are all thoracic nerves present at the thoracic, mesothoracic, metathoracic, prothoracic nerves. Then at the inside there are, at the right side of this diagram, there are circoesophageal connective ganglion, then subesophageal ganglion, then prothoracic ganglion, ventral nerve cord, that is present ventral nerve cord. then mesothoracic ganglion and metathoracic ganglion. So these are the network of ganglions present in the central nervous system of the cockroach. So after central nervous system of cockroach, second one is peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system of cockroach consists of nerves arising from the various ganglions of the central nervous system. Six pairs of nerves arise from the cerebral ganglia. Six pairs arise from the cerebral ganglia. They go to the eyes, antenna, labrum. Then nerve arising from the subesophageal ganglion goes to the mandibles, maxilla and labium. Mandible, maxilla and labial. These nerves arise from the subesophageal ganglion. Then nerves arising from the thoracic ganglion go to the wings and legs and internal thoracic organs. Nerve arising from the thoracic ganglion go to the wings, legs and internal thoracic organs. Nerves from the abdominal ganglia go to the abdominal organs. Nerves from the abdominal ganglia go to the abdominal organs to respective abdominal segment. So this is about peripheral nervous system. Then after peripheral nervous system, there is a autonomous nervous system of cockroach. Third type. So it consists of four ganglia. Autonomous nervous system of cockroach consists of four ganglia and a retrocerebral complex These four ganglia are frontal ganglion, then hypocerebral ganglion, third one is ingluvial ganglion, and fourth one is ventricular ganglion. So first one is frontal ganglion. Frontal ganglion represents above the pharynx and in front of the brain. Then hypocerebral ganglion. It is present on the anterior region of the esophagus. Hypocerebral ganglion present on the anterior region of the esophagus. Then third one is ingluvial ganglion. It is present on the crop region. It is also called as the visceral ganglion. Ingluvial ganglion is also known as visceral ganglion. Then fourth ganglion is ventricular ganglion. It is present on the gizzard region of the cockroach. So this is about autonomous nervous system. So today we have learned about central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system of the cockroach. For today, this is. Thank you, students.